Hey guys, it's Heather with Passion for Savings. I have 7 awesome freebies that you can grab this week at CVS, so make sure you check them out. The first deal is on the Rimmel makeup. You can get the foundation for $5.49 and the eyeliners for $4.49. These are buy one, get one half price this week at CVS. Plus, when you spend $15, you're gonna get $5 back in extra care bucks. You can use 4 of those $3 coupons, which means you save $12 off your $15 purchase, and you get $5 back in extra care bucks. So it's actually like getting everything free, plus it's a $2 moneymaker. Excedrin products are also free this week at CVS. These are priced at $6.49. We have the super high value $2 coupon that was in the 4-8 inserts. So you can use 4 of those, buy 4 of these, stack it with a $5 off 20 CVS store coupon for pain relieving products. You're gonna end up paying $9.98. You're gonna get $10 back in extra care bucks, which is like getting 4 packages of Excedrin for free. Another awesome freebie at CVS, the Colgate toothpaste is $3 this week. It's on sale. There's a $2.50 coupon printing for everyone from the CVS Coupon Center. There's also a 50-cent printable coupon that we have on the blog passionforsavings.com. Combine those coupons and you end up getting your toothpaste completely free. Another awesome freebie at CVS this week, the Gillette razors are priced as low as $8.99. There is a $5 off 2 CVS coupon for Gillette razors printing from the CVS Coupon Center. We also have $3 manufacturer coupons from the latest P&G insert for the Venus brand Gillette razors. So stack those $3 coupons. You can use 2 of those with the $5 off 2 CVS coupon. And when you buy 2 Gillette razors this week, you're gonna get $10 back in extra care bucks, guys. That is an amazing deal. It makes both razors free, plus it's a little bit of a moneymaker. Another awesome deal I'm loving at CVS is on the L'Oreal and Garnier hair care products. Guys, hang with me on this one. These are spend $30, get $10 in a CVS cash card, okay? You will buy 4 of the L'Oreal products. These are 2 for $8, so that's gonna get you to $16. Get 4 of the Garnier hair care products. These are 2 for $7, so that's another $14. That gets you to $30 total so that you earn the CVS cash card. Then you can use 2 of the $4 L'Oreal coupons from the 4-8 inserts and 2 of the Garnier coupons from the 4-8 inserts. Those are $4 coupons. Guys, that is $16 in coupon savings, and stack it with a 4 off 18 CVS store coupon from the Coupon Center on hair care products. You're gonna end up paying $10 out of pocket. You get $10 back with the CVS cash card, so it's like getting 8 bottles of shampoo and conditioner completely free. Another awesome freebie at CVS this week, Irish Spring Body Wash is $3.99. Buy one, get $2 in extra care bucks. The limit on this deal is 4, so you can actually do it more than once. There is a $2 off 6 CVS store coupon for body wash printing for most people. So combine that with the $1 Irish Spring coupons, and you basically buy 2, okay, which is $7.98. You're gonna use 2 of the $1 manufacturer's coupons, that $2 off 6 CVS store coupon on body wash. You're gonna pay $3.98 and get $4 back in extra care bucks, which is like getting your body wash completely free. All right, one more freebie for you at CVS, the Calendula Burn Cream. This is priced at $8.49. This is found in the first aid section. There's a $1 printable coupon, so you're gonna pay $7.49 out of pocket. You're gonna earn $6 back in extra care bucks, and there's a $2 Ibotta rebate that you can submit. So after everything, you end up getting this completely free, plus it's a 49-cent moneymaker, so make sure you grab this at CVS this week. All right, guys, there you go. Those are all of my favorite freebies happening at CVS. Make sure you click the link, check out all of the deals happening at Target, Walgreens, and CVS this week. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I hope you will like this video and share it with your friends. Have a fantastic day.